How to delete Reddit account on PC. Hello and welcome to Tech It Simple. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can delete your Reddit account on PC. For that, open any browser on your device and search reddit.com. Then, press enter to browse it. You will reach the official website of Reddit. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. Now, on this interface, at the top right, click on your avatar. On the drop-down menu here, click on Settings. Once you click on Settings, you will be taken to the Settings area where you'll find various settings options categorized in different headings. Once you reach this interface, scroll down, and at the very bottom, you will find the Delete Account option. Click on this Delete Account. Here, you will need to give a reason why you're leaving this platform. In the second box, you'll have to type your username, and in this box, you'll have to enter your password. Make sure you enter all the correct details to avoid any obstacles. Click on this checkbox to agree to the conditions, and click on this Delete button. It will ask you to confirm if you are really sure to delete your account or not, because once deleted, your account will be permanently removed from Reddit, and you'll not be able to bring it back. Click on this Delete option if you are ready to delete. Wait for a while, and there you will see you have successfully deleted your Reddit account. So, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.